Come to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've acquired this very rare, it's a proper John Cooper Works, or JCW. It's absolutely stunning in this colour combination. Look, John Cooper Works badge down there, says it on the registration document as well. It is the proper and original. It's a facelift model, and it's jet black complemented with the red calipers, the Works calipers, pinstripes around the windows, the mirror covers, the roof, and even in the interior, which I'll show you in a minute. A lovely little John Cooper Works kick plate there, electric mirrors. For its age, it is stunning condition. Rear park distance control, twin exhausts, absolutely gleaming. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's been really well looked after. It is a low mileage example. But the lovely proper full black leather interior with the red stitch piping leather. Just start the car up for you. Sounds absolutely awesome. It's done 67,032 miles. We've got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. When you connect, this does have the chili pack, air conditioning, climate control, a little computer system up here. So this has got your joystick down here, which operates up here. So you've got your Bluetooth, connectivity, got satellite navigation, full screen, computer system all here. Then we've got electric windows, 6-speed gearbox, centre armrest, got a USB and an aux. Really is in a lovely condition. DJH are full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.